gusto ko sabihin sa'yo. Ito na. Hi, love. Binabati kita. Binabati kita. Binabati kita. Hi, love. Happy birthday. Oh, you're the most... mamaya. Mamaya na ako. Ito muna.
Happy birthday, Miguel. Sana araw-araw mo na lupay-payin si Jet. Happy birthday sa'yo, Miguel. May konting mensahe lang ako sa'yo. Tutok na tutok sa tuktok ng punlubang. Tak-tak buwo, tagaktak dugo, pero hindi ito tokang na nagmamangmangan. Paano man lalaban ang walang kalaban-laban?
Happy birthday, Miguel. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa ni Jelan Dominic.
Happy birthday, Miggy. Sa palang Latina.
Oh, happy birthday! Ang ingay-ingay ko, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Miggy. Shot na.
Hi, Miggy na sobrang Latina. Wishing you a happy birthday. God bless us always.
Happy birthday, Migs. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Miggy boy. Wishing you all joy and success and endless opportunity. Stay safe, pare. Bye.
What's up, Migs? Happy birthday. Wishing you the best in life, good health, and success in everything you do. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy! Ay, hindi pala si Kuya Miggy. Miggy pala ni Jelan. Miss you na. Uwi na kayo sa Tugepis. Happy birthday!
Habado Meow, MBTC.
Hi Kuya Miguel, happy birthday! I'm wishing you a lifetime success, good health, and happiness. You know I'm really happy and glad that you and Jelan found each other. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Miggy. God bless you always.
Birthday, Miggy! Happy birthday, Miggy! Cheers! Ano, may nabuo na ba? See you soon!
Hi, Miggy! Charot! Hi, baby! Happy birthday! I love you! Hi, Miggy! Happy birthday! Always be happy! God bless sa inyo ni Zelan! See you soon!
Happy birthday, bro. Sana maganda yung araw mo today, and gusto ko tang i-thank kasi ever since naging kami ni Kiana, talagang winelcome nyo ako ni Ate Jelan. So, happy birthday, bro. Ayun, I wish you all the best. I pray for prosperity and peace para sa'yo, and sana mag-concert ng New Jeans dito para makanood na tayo. Ayun, happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, Pap. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy! We wish you a successful life with Ate Mikay!
Happy birthday, Miguel.
Oy, Miguel, hindi ka na. Happy birthday. Sana masaya kayo dyan. Ingat kayo lagi. Oo, wala na kayo dito pero uwi nga kayo para mag-Julis naman tayo. Sama na ako sa Jets. Lagi nilang Jets. So yun lang. Enjoy the rest of your day and ingat. Bye-bye.
Ayo bro, Mel. Happy birthday, bro. Wishing you a very happy birthday this year. Also, alam kong wala ka na sa Tuge. Kaya, pero nag-Julis pa rin kami. In-honor namin yung pangalan mo. And nami-miss ka namin, bro. Thank you. Ba't ako nag-thank you? Thank you.
Hello, Miggy boy! Dito tayo sa TikTok para fresh. Fresh ang mother. How are you, bro? I miss you. Oh. Tinitignan ako ni Ray Ray. Happy birthday, Miggy. Happy birthday din sa akin. Sana may mag-video clip din. Char. Happy birthday, brother. Happy birthday, Sisi. I miss you. I miss you all. Miss na din daw kayo ni Ray Ray. Di ba? Seryoso. Miss ko na talaga kayong lahat, guys. Anyway, huwag ka masyadong kumain. Dahil nakikita ko, hindi na kinakaya ng damit mo. Pero marami ka namang pambili ng bagong damit. So, push lang. Pero pagdating ng araw, mahihirapan kang mag-diet. Sayang naman yung gym membership mo kung hindi mo naman gagamitin, di ba? Anyway, anong handa natin? Nakakamiss naman yung magpaplano tayong sabay mag-celebrate. Oh my God. Insert MMK song. Anyway, anong bang sasabihin ko? Mag-ingat kayo palagi ni Jelan. Baka gusto niyo umuwi at mag-attend ng binyag ni Ray Ray. Baka lang naman. Dami mo ng utang sa akin. Marami ka ng absent. Aduti bayada mo. Dakkel nga multa ato yun, bes. Bagbagak ka niya. See you. Punta ko dyan. Sa Tagaytay. Baka mag-relocate ka na naman. Tama ka na. Masyadong malayo. Hindi kaya ng papasahe ko. Hanggang Tugigaraw lang. Karitan. Capacity. Oh, kaya ko. Say happy birthday, Tito Miggy. Wish you all the best. Ay, nagka-uti susi dyan ako. Bye-bye. Love, love. Ingat kayo. Ingat kayong dalawa ni Jelan.
Miguel, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miguel. Balik ka na tugi. Julie style lagi.
Yan, happy birthday to you. Wishing you all the luck, all the best, and all the happiness sa inyo ni Mikay. Wish ko lang, sana mahalin mo si Mikay na katulad ng pagmamahal namin sa kanya. And then, ikaw din, mahalin ka rin namin. Happy birthday! Mama! Chup-chup! Love you both!
Happy birthday, Kuya Miggy. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Tito Miggy.
Tito Miggy.
Juju.
Juju.
Kiss mo siya. Puso.
Hi, Kuya Migs. Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come, Kuya Migs. Stay pogi lang. Enjoy your day, Kuya Migs. Happy birthday ulit. Miss na namin kayo.
Hi Miggy, happy birthday. Ingat lagi, God bless. Ingatan mo yung si kulit na Mikay. Kahit kaganyan-ganyan yan, talagang makulit. So, happy birthday again. Ingat lagi, God bless.
Hello, Miggy. Happy birthday tomorrow. Miss you.
Hi, Miggy! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Sana magtagal kayo ng bebe mo. And sana ingatan mo siya. Basta enjoy your day and hopefully mag-hangout tayo soon ulit. Okay? Enjoy your day and happy birthday to you. Yeah! Alam ko mabait ka namang tao, kaya alagaan mo yung kaibigan namin. Yes. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miggy!
Hi, Miggy. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Ito nga pala si Carl. Di pa siya patay. Tulog lang.
So, pinapasabi nga pala niya na congrats at nakalagpas ka sa level 65 ni Jalan. Yun lang. Take care always.
Happy birthday, Miggy!
Happy birthday, bro!
See you soon! Dalawa kayo, Jel. Awayin mo lang palagi sa Jalan. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Miggy! Ano lang, sa akin, wish ko lang, sana stay who you are, always strive to become better, and ayun, more happiness and peace. Sana yung peace na meron ka ngayon manatili sa buhay mo. Ayun.
Sana yung peace na meron ka ngayon nabibigay ni Jalan. Charot. I know you're having the best days of your life with Jalan, of course. Pero I wish na for you to have more better days ahead, and also labas tayo. Ano ba? So, ayun. Wala na akong masabi kasi sasabihin ko na lang in person. Charot lang. Ayun. So, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Miggy. So, balita ko magto-25 years old ka na. So, happy birthday. And thank you for always taking care of Jalan. And I wish you good health and success in your life. Happy birthday, Miggy. Happy birthday, Miggy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miggy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Miggy. Sana pagtsagaan mo si Tita Jalan. Happy birthday, Miggy. Thank you for taking care of Jalan. And I hope paging happy kayo sa binibuild nyong future together. And see you soon.
Hi Miggy! Happy birthday! Wishing you more birthdays to come and more blessings and travels for you and Jalan. Sana mag-enjoy kayo lagi and ingat kayo lagi dyan. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Miggy. God bless. Hi, Miggy. Greetings from Australia. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and more blessings to come sa buhay mo, sa buhay niya ni Jalan. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na I'm proud of you guys sa inyong dalawa ni Jalan. And ingatan mo lagi yung kaibigan namin, okay? Happy birthday.
Hi Miggy, happy birthday. I wish that this year, let your life be filled with love and affection. And sana habaan mo pa ang pasensya mo because of your girlfriend's attitude. And I wish you more blessings para pag tipit ako sa inyo ako kakapit. Okay? Okay. Thanks. Happy birthday ulit.
1, 2, 3. Hi Miggy, happy birthday. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and all the things that make you smile. Call or text mo na ako pag mag-propose ka na kay Jalan. Naabangan ko yan. Thank you. Ay, thank you! Happy birthday!
Yo, Migs, happy birthday, bro. I miss you. I'll see you soon, man. Kailangan ko pa lumabas sa office para lang makapag-trade. You know? Sorry late, Jalan. Peace out.
Hello Miko, happy birthday, more birthday to come. Ang wish ko sa birthday mo is sana'y good health, more birthday to come. At matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. At huwag mong kalimutan, mag-pray lagi. At sa lahat, huwag mo rin kaming kalimutan ni Papa mo, ah. Happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Miko. Sana enjoy mo ang iyong special day. Have a wonderful day as special as you are. And sana huwag kang makalimot sa amin. This is the first birthday that you are having away from us. Sana enjoy mo lang and continue to follow your dreams. We love you and we miss you very, very much. I may not be a perfect father to you, but God knows how I try to be one. Please forgive me for my shortcomings. Forget to pray always. At huwag kang makakalimot na tumawag sa Kanya at magdasal palagi. God bless Miko and don't forget to pray always and stay safe.
May, happy birthday, Miko. Sana hindi ka makakalimot. Lagi kang mabait na bata.
Kasi meron siyang mga life na tuloy-tuloy. Napansin ko lang na medyo...
Sana marami pang taon.
Pag-uga mo.
Ano ka, magpakabait ka. Huwag mo kaming makalimutan.
Huwag lahat ng gagaling rito.
Happy birthday, Miguel. God bless.
Ayaw ko magsalita kasi bola ko eh.
Thank you.
Hi, Miggy. It's another year. Birthday mo na naman ulit. Sana marami pang birthday ang darating sa buhay mo. Sana hindi ka magbabago. Go for the better. Di ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko eh. Basta, isa lang masasabi ko, stay matibay. Na, para sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday!
Oh, eto na ako na. Ito na. Happy birthday. You're the most kind, patient, loving, and handsome man that I know. I can't imagine anyone else that I'd rather spend the entirety of my lifetime with except you. And I hope you know that I'm so proud of you, especially sa the people and of course family ko din. Sobrang proud na proud sa'yo. I hope you know that. Thanks for making me love myself more. Thanks for pushing me to be better. Cheers to more travels and adventures together. Malayo pa tayo, pero malayo na tayo. Sana naman. Thanks for being my strength and the extension of my patience. Mahal na mahal kita. I appreciate every little thing that you do for me and also for your family. And I'm grateful that I get to witness and love the man that you're becoming. I love you so much. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I do.